Hey guys, this is Mike. Today I have a JBL Charge 5 portable Bluetooth speaker. Okay, let's see the box. So beautiful. Charge 5 JBL by Harman, Bluetooth V5.1, 20-hour battery. That's good. Nice, so nice. Okay, let's open the box. Let's open the box. Some stuff. Where is my baby? Oh ho ho, where is the treasure? That's it. Here it is, man. Here it is. Okay, so let's see what's inside. It's a type C USB cable and some paperwork. It's a one safety sheet, quick start guide, warranty card, all the stuff. Okay, here is the JBL speaker. Wow, look at this, man. Look at this, guys. Look at this. What a speaker. So beautiful. Look, nice. Big logo JBL. Play pause button, volume up down, on off, Bluetooth. There is a battery, you know how much battery you have. Indication. What is this? Oh wow, what a sport. Rubbery sport. Rubbery sport. Look. Nice. Let's see what's in the back. Okay. Type C, you can charge from here. So what is this? Let's see. Oh, USB charge out. So you guys can charge your phones, laptops, iPads from here. So nice. So nice. So nice. So beautiful. Look. So beautiful. So beautiful. So this is JBL Charge 5 portable Bluetooth speaker with IP67. It means waterproof and dustproof. And USB charge out. You guys can charge your laptops, phones, iPads. And output of 40 watts RMS. So loud. So loud. You guys can take the JBL Charge 5 with you anywhere due to its IP67 waterproof and dustproof rating. The Bluetooth is 5.1, very quick Bluetooth, latest. So JBL Charge 5 portable Bluetooth speaker delivers bold JBL original Pro sound with its optimized race track shaped drivers, separate tweeter, and dual pumping JBL bass radiators. Nice. Up to 20 hours of playtime. That's too much. 20 hours of playtime. Wow, great. And a handy built-in power bank to keep your devices charged, to keep the party going all night. Boom, man, party all night. Doesn't matter it's rain, spilled drinks, beach, sand, no problem at all. Again, because this is IP67, waterproof and dustproof. It's a Partyboost. You can connect multiple JBL Partyboost enabled speakers for big sound for any crowd. Any crowd, man, any crowd. Okay. So it's time to listen the music, to check the performance of this JBL Charge 5 portable Bluetooth speaker. Let me turn on. Oh, single press, it's turned on. So nice. Turn on the Bluetooth. Let me turn my phone to connect my phone to the Bluetooth. Okay, it's connected. Very fast, man, very fast. Very fast. Very fast. Now it's time to listen the music. Okay, and check the performance of the JBL Charge 5 portable Bluetooth speaker. Okay, man. Wow, what a powerful sound with deep bass. I can't explain. You guys must have this JBL Charge 5 portable Bluetooth speaker. Let's check more songs. Let's check. So nice. What a powerful sound with deep bass. Wow, what a sound with deep bass. I can't explain. This is must have speaker. Must have JBL Charge 5 portable Bluetooth speaker. IP67 waterproof, dustproof. Output of 40 watts RMS. Wow. With USB charge out. That's great. Great. Up to 20 hours of playtime. With built-in power bank. You guys can charge your devices. Great. No worry of rain, spilled drinks, beach sand, no problem. Partyboost. You can connect multiple JBL Partyboost enabled speakers for big sound for any crowd. Nice. I buy this JBL Charge 5 portable Bluetooth speaker from Amazon.com because I have a um, Prime membership. So I remember yesterday evening 6 p.m. I ordered this Bluetooth speaker, and today 11 a.m. they delivered it. They delivered it. That's good. That's good. JBL Charge 5 portable Bluetooth speaker. Boom, boom, man, boom. Must have this speaker. Bye bye.